Alrighty, y'all, this is just our pork belly cut into 1-inch cube pieces. I'm adding a little bit of yellow mustard. We're gonna throw in some coarse sea salt. Ooh, it's gonna bring out those flavors. Just a little bit of ground pepper. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And of course, we're gonna need our garlic powder. I'm doing this generously. And our onion powder. You can add whatever other spices that you like if you wanna change up the flavor, but we are gonna be adding even more flavor later on. This is just the first step. Now I've got my gloves back on. I'm gonna start massaging all of this into our pork belly. It's so great when they've got this on sale at the butcher or even just your local grocery store. We got ours at Kroger right by our house here. We are just bringing the flavor, whoa, with this easy summer favorite, y'all. Yum, yum, yum. It's barbecue season. Alrighty, this looks good. Get that into our pan here. And we're gonna take this out to our smoker. Alrighty guys, I cut these into a 1.5-inch cubes approximately. I've got my smoker set to 250. We're gonna let these go for 2 hours till their internal temp is 165 or 175. All right, y'all, our pork out there is almost ready. Pork belly. So I'm gonna just get a glaze going here. We're gonna have about a half a cup of this just raspberry jam, 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. Again, just eyeballing all this. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey, just like that. Tablespoon of our wash your sister sauce. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a little tang. Garlic powder, about a teaspoon. Teaspoon of onion powder. Perfect. Some salt. And some pepper. I'm gonna start stirring this to combine. I got one more thing, but I want this jam, since it's getting melted down, to kind of incorporate here with our other ingredients. And this is gonna go right on that pork belly, those little cubes, and create some really, really yummy deliciousness I know y'all are going to love. All right, I'm putting a little bit of jalapenos in here. I'm using pickled, so they're not quite as hot. Y'all can use fresh if you like. You could find some raspberry jalapeno jam. I couldn't find any of those, so I'm basically making my own. We're just gonna make sure this is stirred to our desired consistency, but I think this is looking real good. Alrighty, let's get this to the smoker. Alrighty, y'all, these have been going for about 2 hours. Look at this, they look so good. They are got crusted, yummy, yummy bark on them, which is why we do this separately before we add our glaze. I'm just grabbing all of these off, plopping them into my pan here. I will say the one thing, y'all, if you've got little racks that you can place them on separately and then put them on, put the racks in here, it does make it go a little bit faster. So that's one thing I'm gonna do next time. Let's make this go a little quicker. Alrighty, y'all, time to put it all together. Yummy. Let's get that glaze right on top. Now we're just gonna kind of toss these all, our little burnt end pieces here, in that glaze. We want to get it coated. Now that we've got that bark hard coating on the outside of these, we want to marinate them in that sweet, sweet stickiness. And this glaze is going to do the trick. This is gonna be so good. Alrighty guys, they're all tossed and covered in our glaze. I am going to change the temperature here. We wanna put our smoker up to 275. We're gonna let these go for the next 45 minutes to an hour because it's just depending on how thick you want that glaze to be. We'll see you then. Alrighty, our burnt ends were on here an additional hour. We're gonna let these rest. Alrighty guys, we just let these cool down enough to eat, rest, seal in those flavors. Look at this delicious pork belly. Raspberry jalapeno burnt ends. These are so good. Y'all, you gotta try this. For you?
I like to try this.